focus of why the people voted for you. Whether it's 10% or 90%, the fact is that you will be elected to represent Northwest St. Andrew, and you're expected to do that to the best of your ability. Not just for the people in green shirt, but for the entire constituency. Other than that, you're also honored to represent a great party, the Jamaica Labour Party. 81 years this year, coinciding with my birthday. I'll be 81 next week, so I'm expecting the victory this evening to be a wonderful birthday party for my son.
And Duane, what are some of your immediate priorities should you win this?
Well,